In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the system cannot find the file specified, error copying file or folder. So first, you're going to have to go to settings here. And then you want to go to the Windows update and make sure you have your Windows updated to the latest version. So after you update your Windows, go to CMD and open it as administrator. And over here, you want to write this. So write down here sfc/scan now and hit enter and wait for the scan to happen. Once it's done, you can close this now. Go to this PC, C drive, and over here you want to go to Windows. And here you want to search for software distribution. So this one, software distribution, click on it. So what you're going to do here is simply select all of these and delete all of them. And don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data. So just delete these and restart your PC. So go here and just click restart. And that's it. This should solve your issue. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.